Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of truth Islam and beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, question number 1 of Cambridge Mathematics, syllabus D, past paper 2023 May June. And question number 1 is a cuboid has dimension x centimeter, 5 minus x, and 15 centimeter. Height is x centimeter, base is 5 minus x, whereas length is 15. And students, show that the equation of the volume of the cuboid y centimeter cube is y is equal to 75x minus 15x square. Students, we know that volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So students, volume is given in y centimeter cube, so y is equal to, in place of length I will write 15 multiplied by breadth is in the form of two numbers or 5 minus x, so it is written in the bracket, multiplied by height is x. Now students, I multiply 15 with 5 and x, so 15 5s are 75 minus 15x, and now this will multiply with x and we will have 75x, because 75 is multiplying with x, minus 15x will multiply with x and we will have 15x square. So students, we have proved that the equation of the volume of cuboid is 75x minus 15x square that we have to find. Now students, look at the B part. B part is complete the table of values for y is equal to 75x minus 15x square. This equation is written in the form of linear equation, and we have to complete the table. X and y are given. If x is 1, then y is 60. If x is 1.5, then y is 78.75, and we have to find the value of y when x is 2.75. In place of x we will put 2.5. So students, it will be equal to 75 multiplied by 2.5 minus 15 into 2.5 square. Students, use the calculator to find the value, and I will write it as 75 multiplied by 2.5 minus 15 into 2.5 square, and the answer is 93.75. 93.75 is the value of y when x is 2.5. Now look at the C part, students. In C part, draw the graph of y is equal to 75x minus 15x square for x is 1 or greater than 1 but less than 4 or equal to 4. Now students, if x is 1, as in this table, if x is 1, then y is 60. If x is 2, then y is 90. If x is 3, then y is also 90. And if x is 4, then y is 60. And we will plot all the coordinates on this piece of graph. So students, x is 1 when y is 60. So students, this is 1 on x-axis, 1, and y is 60. So first point is this, then x is 1.5 and y is 78.75. So students, it is 70, 72, 74, 76, 78 and 75 is this point. It is 78.75. Now students, third coordinate is x is 2 when y is 90. So this is x as 2 and y is 90, and it means that this is the point in which x is 2 and y is 90. Next students, x is 2.5 and y is 93.75. So it is 90, 92 and it is 94. So I will write little bit down of 94. Next students, x is 3 when y is 90. So this is 3 and x is 90. So I will plot this coordinate at this point. Then students, x is 3.5 and y is 78.5. So this is 3.5 and 78.5. 78.5. 70, 72, 74, 76, 78 and 78.75 is this point. And students, the last coordinates are 4 and 60. So it is 4 and students, this is 60. Now students, we have to join all these coordinates with a smooth curve. I will try to join it in this way. From this point, it is not straight line, it is smooth curve in this way, and then it is joined to this point, then to this point, and students, then this point will be joined to this point, and in this way we will join all these points by a smooth curve, not with a straight line. As you know that the graph of quadratic equation is in the form of parabola. Now students, it is C part. Now look at D part. According to D part, volume of pyramid is 1 over 3 multiplied by base area multiplied by height. Volume of pyramid, the formula is given. Then students, the diagram shows a pyramid with a square base of side length 9 cm. The pyramid has height x centimeter and volume y centimeter cube. Show that the equation of the volume of pyramid is y is equal to 27x square. So students, we will put the value in this formula, that is 1 over 3 multiplied by base is in the form of square and the area of square is side square, so it is written 9 multiplied by 9 and the height is x. So students, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and the volume of pyramid will become 27x. That we have to prove. Now students, we can apply this formula here as well, but I have solved it. And in B part, by drawing a suitable straight line on the grid, on page 2, find the height of the pyramid when the pyramid and the cuboid have the same volume. Students, it is the volume of pyramid and the volume of cuboid is given, that is y is equal to 75x minus 15x square. Now both the volumes are same, so 27 is equal to this, yani we can write 27x is equal to 75x minus 15x square, and we can find the value of x in this way. and it may be 3.4 approximate, 3.2 approximately, I don't know exactly, but we have to use the grid on page number 2. And now students, y is equal to 27x. If we take x as 1, first I will find the coordinate. X is 1, then y will be 27 and the coordinate will become 1 and 27. And if we take x as 2, then value of y will be 2 27s are 54 and second coordinate will become 2 and 54. And if we take x as 3, then y will be 81. 3 multiplied by 27, that is 81, and the coordinate will become 3 and 81. Now I will plot all these coordinates on a piece on the same grid. First is 1 and 27. So students, 1 and 27, it is 20, 22, 24, 26, and it is 27. Second is 2 and 54. This is 2 and 50, 52 and 54. This point is indicating 2 and 54, then 3 and 81. This is 3 and I have to calculate 81 and it is 81. Now students, I will join these 3 points. These 3 points are joined together, and students, both the graphs are intersecting at this point, and this point is 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6 and 3.8. Here sorry students, first we have to first we have to find that these 2 points, this is 1 and it is 1.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. One line is indicating 0.02. So students, it is 0.02. Again I can find it as 10 divided by 5, and 1 point is 10 divided by 0.5, and each point is indicating 0.5 divided by 10, and each line 0.5 divided by 10. So each line is indicating 0.05. So students, it is 3 and there are lines 1, 2, 3 and 4, and when we multiply 4 with 0.5, this point is 3 multiply by 4 multiply by 4, and it will be 3.2. So students, the value of x is 3.2 that we have to find. 3.2 centimeter is the value of x, and it is D part of question number 2. And next is question number 2. So it's enough for this video, because if I solve more question in this video, then this video will become long, and I don't want to make long videos. That's why I will solve only one question in this video. At the end, I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.